Imagine waking up tomorrow with a fully produced, professionally designed online course, all created in less than 24 hours. Sounds insane, right? But thanks to the latest AI tools, it's not only possible, it's becoming the new normal. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a coach, a freelancer, or just someone with valuable knowledge to share, creating a course has never been easier or faster. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build a complete, high-quality online course in a single day using AI. From brainstorming ideas to creating lessons, recording videos, branding your course, and launching it, we're doing it all in one day, and you don't need any tech skills or prior experience. Let's start with step 1, idea generation. You need a course topic that people actually want. You can ask ChatGPT, what are 10 in-demand course ideas right now, and insert niche. It will instantly give you ideas like Notion productivity for beginners, Instagram marketing for local businesses, or intro to AI prompt engineering. From here, pick a topic that overlaps with your knowledge or interests, even if you're not an expert. If you know more than your target audience, you can teach them something. Next, outline your course. Prompt ChatGPT with, give me a full curriculum for a beginner course on your topic. It will generate modules, lesson titles, and objectives. Ask follow-up questions like what should each module include, or generate 3 learning outcomes per lesson. You now have a full structure in under 10 minutes. You can even go deeper, ask ChatGPT to create quiz questions, assignments, or case studies for each lesson. These are perfect for building a richer student experience later. Once you have your course framework, it's time to write the actual content. Prompt, write a 500-word lesson script for Module 1, lesson title, in a friendly, informative tone. You'll get solid, human-sounding content instantly. Don't just copy and paste, personalize it, inject your story, and break it into 3 to 5 minute segments. This keeps students engaged and gives you flexibility in video production. Use tools like Claude or Gemini to vary writing style and get multiple drafts at once. By the end of this step, you'll have full video scripts for your entire course in under 2 hours. Now comes the magic, turning words into videos. If you're camera shy, you can go fully faceless. Tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, or DID let you create lifelike AI avatars. Upload your scripts, select a voice and avatar, and render videos. You get a human presenter reading your script fluently in 50+ languages, no studio, no filming. If you prefer your own voice, use ElevenLabs to generate clean, realistic voiceovers in your style. Just record 1 to 2 minutes of your voice, and the tool can clone it for narration. Combine that with tools like Pictory or InVideo, and you can automatically generate visual slides, stock footage, and animations that match your narration. Your course will look professional, even cinematic, without touching a video editor. You're now halfway done, and it's still just day 1. Let's make your course stand out. The next step is branding and visual identity. Use Loca or Brandmark to instantly generate a course logo and visual style. Pick a clean, modern aesthetic. This creates trust and professionalism. Now open Canva, the free version is enough, and use AI-assisted templates to design your course assets, module covers, intro slides, end screens, downloadable worksheets, and promo banners. You can even use ChatGPT to help write motivational quotes, lesson summaries, or checklist items and plug them directly into your graphics. Next, think about interactive learning. Ask ChatGPT to generate discussion prompts or reflective questions for each lesson. These are great for embedding in PDFs or adding to a course community. Use ChatGPT to create a workbook with matching exercises for each module. Then design the workbook in Canva using templates. Export as a beautiful PDF and offer it as a bonus. All of this creates perceived value, and AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. Time to package and host your course. You've got a few great options: Thinkific, Teachable, Podia, or Gumroad. Gumroad is fast and simple if you want to sell instantly with no tech setup. Use ChatGPT to write your landing page copy. Generate a persuasive sales page for a course about your topic. It will deliver a full landing page, headline, bullet points, testimonials, call to action. You can even prompt it to write in the voice of popular influencers for more punch. For your course video trailer, use Pictory again. Feed in your best content snippets and let the AI generate a 60-second cinematic trailer with music and captions. Great for YouTube or ads. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk email marketing. Use ConvertKit or MailerLite, then prompt ChatGPT, write a 5-email sequence to sell my new course on topic to cold leads. You'll get emails that introduce the course, build credibility, handle objections, and drive urgency. These platforms let you automate the whole sequence with one click. Want to test your course before launch? Easy. Ask ChatGPT, write a message I can send to potential beta testers. Send this via DM, email, or in communities you're part of. Offer free access in exchange for honest feedback or a testimonial. After 3 to 5 testers go through the course, ask ChatGPT to turn their responses into polished testimonials. Add them to your landing page and social proof section. Instant trust boost, even before the course goes public. Want content to drive traffic? Use Opus Clip, Vizard, or Clap to repurpose your course into 10 to 20 shorts or reels. Clip highlights from each module, add captions, transitions, and post daily. These microclips build anticipation and funnel viewers straight to your landing page. You can go viral before you even officially launch. Now let's get serious about monetization and long-term growth. You didn't just build a course, you built an asset. And assets need to scale. Start by setting a price point. Use ChatGPT. Compare the average pricing of beginner courses in your niche across platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Based on that, choose a tiered pricing model, maybe $29 for basic access, $99 for premium with workbooks and community, and $249 for a bundle with private coaching or bonus modules. AI can help you craft compelling value ladders and bonuses that feel irresistible. Ready to scale with ads? Tools like AdCreative.ai or Copied AI generate Facebook, Instagram, and Google ad creatives with optimized copy. Prompt ChatGPT, write 3 high-converting Facebook ads to sell my new course to target audience. Use A/B testing to see what works. Want your ads to feel native? Ask ChatGPT to mimic the voice and style of your target audience, startup founders, moms, content creators, whoever, and generate relatable scripts. Pair this with video snippets created in Pictory or HeyGen and you've got ad creatives ready in under an hour. Community is the next layer. Use Circle.so or Discord to host a private student community. Use ChatGPT to generate onboarding flows, discussion prompts, weekly challenges, and even automated messages. You can let AI moderate discussions, send welcome messages, and suggest new topics to keep things lively. A vibrant student group increases completion rates, referrals, and user-generated content, all without needing you 24/7. Now let's automate the whole machine. Connect your sales platform, email tool, and community with Zapier or Make.com. Here's an example. When someone buys your course, they automatically receive a welcome email, get enrolled in the course platform, added to the community, and receive a personalized message from your AI assistant. Every step runs in the background while you sleep. This is true passive income, and AI makes it real. You can even scale horizontally. Ask ChatGPT to generate 5 spin-off course ideas based on your original topic. Then reuse your visual branding, narration templates, and scripts to launch a full course bundle or academy. Cross-sell. Upsell. License. Translate it to other languages. ElevenLabs supports over 20 voices. Synthesia supports 120 languages. That means you can duplicate your entire course for a global market with zero filming or re-recording. In just one day, with the help of AI, you can create, launch, and scale a complete digital product that educates, inspires, and pays you over and over again. That's the new creator economy. It's fast, it's automated, and it's accessible to anyone who takes the first step. If this inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Prompt AI Vision, and drop a comment with your course idea. I might help you build it next. And remember, the future doesn't belong to the experts. It belongs to the executors. Your online course is one day away.